So today's topic is how to connect Roblox to Discord on mobile. So guys, on PCs it is very straightforward because in PC Discord app has a feature that allow you to detect if you are playing Roblox in background. But on mobile guys, there is no such feature in Discord app. But you can do one thing here. You can set status in Discord app like you are playing Roblox. So you can, first of all you have to open your profile and just tap on this add status, and you can end playing Roblox and just tap on this save button over here. Now also you can guys add you can set the time for what duration you want your status to be seen by others. So right now it is set as clear tomorrow, but I'm going to set it as clear in 4 hours. So it will be seen for 4 hours in Discord app while you play Roblox. So this is how you can do it. Hope you like it. This is the alternative option. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.